Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Instagram to Facebook page. So first of all, let's see how to add Instagram in new page experience. So open your page and click on professional dashboard, scroll down and click on linked accounts, and here select Instagram and click on connect account, connect, and enter here your Instagram username or email or phone number and password and click on login. And here you can see I've successfully connected my Instagram with my Facebook page. And now let's see how to add Instagram account in classic page. So open your Facebook page and scroll down to the left hand side and click on settings, scroll down and click on Instagram and click on connect account, continue, and enter here your Instagram account, phone number or username or email and password and click on login, click on next. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.